DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making marbled trays using DecoArt's new pouring medium. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this project, or leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some marbled trays. DecoArt's new pouring medium is flying off the shelves, and it's super easy to use. So pick some up, and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.